Hello po. Andito ako sa Kaliraya, dito sa Lumban, Laguna. This is the bridge going to Big and Small Cabin. Any interested visitors po, pwede kayo mag-abel. Ito yung cabin number 1. This is first row over here near the lake. And dito po, marami po silang mga cabin dito. This is cabin number 1 up to there. Hanggang doon sa may dulo na yung puro cabin yan. Pwede kayo mag-stay dito ng ilang gabi. Hindi ko lang alam kung magkano yung per night. But I think you can inquire. There's a lot of cabins over here. Ayan po. This is it. So mag-enjoy po kayo rito. Ayan dito. Napaka ano po ng lugar dito. Tahimik. Malamig yung klima. Sariwang hangin. Kaaya-aya po. Ayan po. Remember the place in Baguio? Camp John Hay. Parang replica po ito ng Camp John Hay. Yung mga bahay dito. So guys, come and enjoy the place. Here in Kaliraya. So guys, what are you waiting for? Okay. Napunta kami dito para celebrating of Mother's Day together with my kumadre and kumpadre. Regalo ng mga kids. So this is the place. We still have a lot of, places to offer. Okay. Thank you guys. Maganda rito, oh. Yung place is very relaxing. The place is very peaceful. Surrounded with high trees. Ayan. Hope you enjoy guys. Come over here. See you on my next video.